again, and for today, we will be doing Revel bars, okay? This is very easy to make and pwede nyo inegosyo pagdating ng Pasko. Okay, for the ingredients, I have here flour, brown sugar, rolled oats, vanilla extract, baking soda, condensed milk, and Barrios dark chocolate for my chocolate layer, 2 pieces eggs, fletcha and salted butter, cashew nuts. Okay, let's start. In your mixer, if you have a stand-up mixer, you can use paddle attachment. If you don't have, you can always use wooden spoon. Okay? Hindi kailangan ng mixer nito. Mix in your butter and your brown sugar. Mas mabango si brown sugar kasi may molasses content yan. So, mas amoy Pasko. You can always make the Revel bars ahead of time for Christmas season. This time you can add the vanilla extract. And then, while the butter and sugar is mixing, itabi mo na yung dalawang eggs. And you mix in na your flour and your baking soda. For the Revel bars, we have 3 layers na makikita mo. First layer, ito, yung ilalim niya, this mixture, the oatmeal mixture. Second, we will be doing the chocolate and the chocolate layer, which is the chocolate and your condensed milk. Yan yung second layer. The topmost or the third layer is yung konting natira natin sa oatmeal na mixture and some cashew nuts. Okay? Once na-blend in na or na-mix na si butter and sugar, you can add your eggs one at a time. But please lang, pag nahulog yung dalawa, huwag mo nang kunin. Okay? Let's scrape the sides kasi may hindi nakukuha sa side. And then, slowly add your flour mixture. Lastly, your oatmeal. Use rolled oats ha, kasi si instant, madali siya madurog once i-bake mo. Yan. For this recipe, I'll be using 9 by 13 inch baking pan. If you want small baking pan, you can divide this recipe into 2. Tapos, gamitan mo ng 8 inch square pan. Ang bigat! Here 9 by 13 inch baking pan, rectangular. I lined it with aluminum foil para later mas easy for me to remove. Okay? Press mo dito yung mixture, the oatmeal. Tapos magtira ka ng konti para sa taas. Let's bake this one for around 15 minutes, okay? Do not overbake kasi the moment i-bake pa natin later, i-bake pa natin siya. So, pag overbake na siya, the moment i-bake natin later, tigas na masyado. Okay. If you have like this, better, okay? Lagyan mo ng foil flour konti. Tapos, yan yung i-roll mo. Ito yung tinira ko ha, guys. Yan, ganyan ka konti. Around mga 1 cup or half cup ko. Okay, set aside natin. Oops! Yan, flatten mo siya and then bake this one for around mga 15 minutes. Okay? 10 to 15 minutes. Until mag-light brown lang. Huwag totally bake ha. Kasi again, i-bake natin siya ulit. Okay? Let's bake it! So let's make the chocolate layer, which is the Berrios dark chocolate and the Bravo condensed milk. In your saucepan, put water, tapos boil it, tapos put on top si chocolate. That's double boiler na style. And once the dark chocolate is melted, turn off the fire, tapos let's add the condensed milk. Mix until well blended siya. Okay? Tapos, set aside. Kunin muna natin si oatmeal mixture sa oven. After mga 12 minutes, ganito na yung itsura niya, guys. Okay? So, we can put now the chocolate mixture. Hindi pa yan totally baked, ha? Use gloves, mas mabilis to. Yung sobra natin kanina, scatter natin on top. Tapos, let's bake this one again. This time, for around 15 minutes. Okay? Until, ito yung tingnan mo guys ha, sa pinaka-top. Kailangan light brown siya. And then, lastly, sprinkle your cashew nuts on top. You can use any kind of nuts. Pwede walnuts, pwede si almonds, pistachio, pecans. See? Okay. Bake natin ulit, okay? So guys, ito na yung Revel bars after 15 minutes. Okay? So, wag mo muna i-cut agad. Let's chill this one first. Tapos, bago natin i-cut. Okay? Chill muna natin. Then guys, after 10 minutes, nag-cool down na siya. So, here's your Revel bar. Actually, medyo kulang pa siya sa chill. But this is your Revel bars. Okay? You have the oatmeal layer, you have the chocolate, and then the nuts on top. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!